Let's unbox this Starry Projector light. Night light, ambience light, relaxation gift, party light.
You can buy this product in Co International. This is the address, Spiring 173225 Exki, Hellebuts, Laos, and the telephone number. You can also email info@cointernational.nl.
This product gives night light, mood light, ocean wave projector, home theater accent, and starlit dinner, party light, game room decor. This is the light, home party, night light, relaxation, ambience light, starlit dinner, and dim room. But I want to show it in person. I will try it. I will demonstrate this one at the night, so that also you can see it. But first, let's see the product. If you want to order this one, I put it in the description below, where you can send an email to them and order the product. Let's open. Music Starry Projector User Manual. You have to read the instruction because there is a warning, the package, how to use. With different languages. English, how to use, indoor use, projecting in the sky direction, how to use the light projector as shown below, connect Bluetooth, BTK10 of the smartphone to play music. Use correct method of the remote control to make sure the remote control is pointing at the infrared sensor. So, this is it. Automatic recognition USB data. Note that this projector can auto-recognize and play music while inserting USB memory. USB should contain some songs. Ocean wave 3 levels brightness adjustment. When the power on lead light and lesser light, keep on short press this key control lead. Light switch long press control lesser light switch. Short press play previous song, long press reduce volume. So there is an instruction. And also this one. So let's look. USB this one, and okay, and this is the remote. Of course, you have to put the battery. So later we put a battery because we have to try this one at night time. So this is the product. This is it. So it is sealed. product is like this one. Like this. As you can see, like a crystal ball. This one, you put the USB here. Then this one is turn and off. Okay. So, yeah. Yes, this is a nice product so far. This is a nice product. This is a laser. The name of this product is Starry Projector Light. Laser 1. So,
later we try this one. We can put the USB here. Let's try to put the USB.
let's try to connect it. Okay, so let's try to on.
Bluetooth mode.
So this is the color. This is the color. So, and you can also put the USB here. With music while sleeping. And then you can also put this one as a light. If you off the light, then you can use this one as a night light.
With a different color light. You can use this so many things. Like for example, if you do a live stream as a background, and if you have children, you can off the light and on this one, and you allow it with a different colors like this. It's very interesting. For example, for children, if you have children, and also if you do a game, especially in the YouTube or in a live stream as a background, because they have a different kinds of backgrounds: blue, green, like a red or pink. So it is interesting because it's not only produces the ambience light or the relaxation light, you can also do a Bluetooth. For example, you want to do a Bluetooth music. So you can do a Bluetooth here, and then while sleeping, then you can hear the music with light, changing light. And you can also maintain only one color of the light. If you want the blue one, you can maintain the blue. But if you want the poor light, so you just adjust the remote, because there you can do the things there in the remote. You can program it different colors or one color. So it depends upon you where you want. If you want different kind colors, if you only want one colors, then it stays that color, because you can do it by remote. You can use this one also in a party. For example, a party, or maybe during Christmas, you can use this one. Many things you can use this one. Dinner, many things. You will not regret in buying this product. You can order to Co International Pontanel and email them also.